In this video, I am going to show you how to hide table title in Apple numbers. Here I see on Apple documents is there, and inside this Apple documents there is on table is here, and the title of this table is shopping list. Our goal is to hide this title. So let's see how we can do this thing. To hide the title of the table, at first we need to click anywhere of the table, so the table will be selected. Now we have to come to the top right corner where we'll see format icon is there. We just need to click here and it will bring a sidebar. So from here we have to find title, and here I see there is checkbox. That means it is showing the title. To hide this title, so we just need to uncheck this thing and the title will be gone. And that's it. In this way we can easily hide table title from Apple numbers document.